Let me show you how to create a searchable drop-down list in Excel like this one. No formulas or VBA programming required. This is of course a brand new feature in the online version of Office or the Office 365 for the web. If you're using the offline version of Office 365, then you can use the dynamic array formulas, or if you're using Office 2019 and below, then you can use VBA programming to achieve this. So I am right inside my free version of Office Online, and I will head over to this cell and click once. On my ribbon under the data tab, I will click on data validation, and when this dialog box opens, I will click on list. On the source, I will highlight a range of cells that contains my list of names. Click OK. So when you click inside this cell, you will see the drop down icon appearing over here. You can click once and you will see our searchable drop down list over here. You can go ahead and start typing in any record, and as soon as you start typing, Excel will give you suggestions. Then you can scroll through, try any other record. As soon as you do that, you see Excel giving you suggestions. Of course, this is a brand new cool feature in the online version of Office. Log into your free version and try it out.